I don't
Pen
know what to
ready.
say. You simply go to your app, type in ChatGPT, say, hey, I don't know how to respond kindly, lovingly to Sean about this, this, and this. Please give me a short and sweet text message to send on saying no. Boom. It's going to filter it. You copy, you paste, you send a text message. Move on with your day. Hey, man, I love it. Thanks so much for letting me know. Boom. Relationship restored.
Yeah, dude, I love that.
Simple as that. So
Yeah,
how do you feel about that?
I love it. I mean, it takes all the thinking out of it. What I would for people to do that over and over again. I think if someone who is having trouble responding back to people currently, if they did that 2, 3, 4 times,
Yeah,
the fear will just go away. They'll realize, oh, it's not that big a deal. It actually feels
exactly.
good to say no. It
Right,
feels good to respond back right away. And so,
right.
yeah, that's a great take the thought process again, because what's the cost if you don't do what you just said, right? It's going to pull your piece, anxiety, whatnot, right? So which one do you want? You're going to respond anyway,